All right, what's up, guys? It's been a while. I don't have much to post. I mean, we're pulling this header off, but I mean, I can't really take out my phone and record it halfway through, you know. So I'm doing little shorts about it. Got the lift up, did a car already. I'm gonna work on my truck though. I'll show you it over here. There we go. Look at this bad mamma jamma right here. Oh yeah. All right, my phone's at 38%. Let's get stuff done. I'm trying to get this bed off tonight. I want to get this thing off and done so I can actually do something to it. I know under there's gonna be a rust bucket, so I'll get my safety glasses and go under there. All right, I've never taken a bed off this kind of truck. First time ever doing it. Didn't even watch the video, so we're just gonna wing it. I see a ground table. I haven't really been under this truck. I think I've been under it once, and that's it. So we're gonna get that bolt out. Looks a little rusty. There should be 4 or 6 bolts. I don't know. Mine had 4 on it. That's 06, and it was welded in the middle. So I don't know where it's welded. There's another bolt for a regular bed. I don't know. Yeah, that socket was too big. I think it's 11/16. But yeah, I bought this truck. I don't know if I told you guys about it, but I bought this truck with no transmission. All it needs is a tranny. Not the gender, but the transmission, because it was going bad. So the guy took it out and he sold this truck. So it's a little rusty, but she'll do. I'm trying to pull it into a hot street pulling truck, I think. I'm not sure. I have to go look at the rules real quick. But yeah, it's the cheapest one. It's the cheapest what is it? The cheapest class I can get her in for locals. But yeah. Alright guys, I decided I have a lift, so I'm gonna use it. So I'm gonna back the tractor up. Maybe back that tractor too. Back the lawnmower, get this stuff out of there and just shoot her right in on the lift and lift her up and just sort of crawl under there. My back hurting tomorrow. All right, guys. Holy, you don't know how much work it is to get this. Oh my gosh, pushing this thing. Woo! So glad it's not even a transmission. Oh, I would have drove it then, but dude, so glad I'm the extra weight, because I had to push from over there, from over here. When I had it like right there, I pushed it with the skid loader, because I couldn't get around to the skid loader up there, so I had to push it. Oh my gosh, getting it through this little gap. I should have moved the tractor, but it's all good. Dude, I'm sweating. But yeah, I got the lifts under there. I gotta grab the tools out first, and I'll lift her up.
I hear you been asking about me, where I've been and where I sleep. It's hard to find me if you really want to. Turns past that takes a cool sign. Same ball cap, same old boots, trying to outrun the thought of you. But in this town the truth don't stop. You can't live in a town this small. You can change your mind but not your past. Every mile just feels like moving half. You can change my name in your phone. You can't.
Dude, look at this view! Oh my gosh! It's like it feels like a rad monster truck. Holy, it's kind of scary. Oh yeah. I'm gonna get on that thing. Guys, do not use a 3/4 on that. That'll just round it off. So I might just grind that sucker off. So I got that one. Boom. I don't got one over there. That's a little rusty. It's alright though. That's bumper. Where's the one that goes to the? I think that's bed bolt. I think. Well, that's bumper. That's for a hitch. I don't know. Should be one like right there. Makes sense. Is there only 2 on this truck? I'm not sure. Oh, 1. That's a stud right there. kind of stud. One right there, that kind of sucks. I guess I could go through there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, okay. That's not bad. But, oh, just gotta ground that one off over there. Wow, that's for the gas tank though. Gosh. Dang it. Here's the drive shaft. Here's the exhaust. Something's rattling on the exhaust really bad. I can hear it. It sounds like I don't know. It sounds really bad. Here's the trans case. And there's the used to be transmission. I don't know what's rattling. Could be that. No. I thought it was a transmission coolant line, so I moved him out of the way of the flexor or the flywheel, and it still does it. I don't know if it's new oil pan gasket. Yeah, looks like it. I don't know what that would be. Oh my gosh, those look rusty. It looks like new Chevy axles. It's nice. Alright, well, I'm sweating balls, so I'm gonna go inside and put this thing down. Alright, for the Poland, can't use this bumper. So, I might put on my truck, honestly. I think that would look pretty wicked on it. This bad mamma jamma. Oh, yeah, that thing's so easy. So, because I was hanging down, and I didn't want it to trip over it or nothing. So I put like 5 magnets on the back of it, and oh my gosh, it stays there. And they're like those like regular magnets, like little circle ones, which is really nice. It's really cool. Look at this thing. Woo! Look at her. What is up, guys? Second day of doing this. Trying to get the bed off. That's what I'm trying to get at right now. Gotta see if the lift is gonna hit the frame. Oh, well, let's see. Oh, we're not even up on that side. What the heck? Huh. That's weird. Cause like all 3 of them are on, except for that one. That's different. That's a little different. That's right. Okay, why is it doing that? I'm gonna go near with it. Oh, that's probably a bad idea. Oh, okay, it's like that, which it'll be fine. Oh, I gotta. There we go. At least I can lift it, I lift it when I'm sitting down. Alright, got her back up in the air. Let's get a metric socket so I don't strip it out again. Because I stripped the one right by the fuel tank. Where is it at? Yeah, up there. I don't know if I told you guys this or not, but these tires, oh my gosh, I need to put them on my truck. They're nice. Big meaty tires. Finally found an 18mm socket. You can never find them in those small sets like these ones. It skips 18. It goes 19 to 17. And the ones they skip, you can never find them unless you find if you get the big sets like this. Found this one in the big DeWalt set. Yeah, that's gonna fit. Oh yeah, look at that, all snug and stuff. That better not round off. All right, here we go. Oh, it's kind of hard to apply. 8 rust. Guys, close your eyes. If I can get it on there. Okay. Okay, close your eyes. Coming out. Yeah! That's what I like to see. Yo, what's up, guys? Okay. Bad news. Okay, good news. The truck lost like 30 pounds from all the rust that came down. Bad news is I'm only on my 4th one. And more bad news, the metal broke up here from all the rust. Now it just spins. You can see it spinning up there, which I'm not that strong, so I can't turn that too well. But, and the other more bad news, there's a stupid hitch. Well, it's not stupid. I mean, the guy I bought it from is watching this. It's not stupid. Actually, it looks really cool. I like it. But it's blocking this hole. I can't get this last one out, and there's another bolt right there. So I'm gonna take this whole thing off just to get those last two. Unless I'm gonna grind it off, which I don't know. And I got 1 and 2 more left. Well, I guess 1, 2, 3, 4. And I have 5. And I have 3 out. So we gotta get going. All right, guys. I was lowering this down thinking what I needed to do. But halfway lower down, remembered I needed to record the video. So you're not gonna see under the truck tonight, but tomorrow, well, I guess what, in like next scene you will. But I got 5 of them out. Those last 2 I need to get out is the hitch that's blocking it, and the one like right behind this right here on the other side. Which I don't know. Those are gonna take a little bit longer, but it shouldn't take too long because those hitch bolts look like they're pretty new, and I don't know what to do with the bolts. There they are. A nice blue thread locker, so we're good. Hopefully I can have this thing done by tomorrow. Just gonna go in early tonight because I'm getting a little tired. Stayed up a little too late last night working on her, but it's alright. Get it done faster. Then we're gonna take the cab off, then the fender and hood stuff off, bumper and all that, and then conjoin all this and make the hood go boom on hydraulics. You know, like opens this way like a semi. All right, on the combine a little bit since I'm quitting with that tonight. But yeah, we need this last pin out. It's like that much farther, and then the feeder house and the corn head will be completely off the combine. Then we're gonna back it away. So like yeah, that yellow part, all that, it's gonna be out, which is gonna be pretty wicked because there's something that got wrapped up in there and then ruined a whole bunch of stuff, and there's a sprocket in that's ruined too. That's what made the chain slip, and yeah. So yeah, follow for more farm content and truck content. If I get enough people liking this, more people following, I'll make a playlist of farming and truck content. So you guys wouldn't have to go through my page and then try to figure out which one it is. Like, oh, is this farming or is this truck? You know? But yeah, just make sure to like, subscribe so I can push it out there more, and we can get my YouTube page cleared up. We got the last pin out. So nothing's holding this except for this low right there, but I mean if it had enough weight on it, it'd slide out. That's happened before. But yeah, I think we got everything disconnected. We're gonna back it out really soon, actually, and then tonight I'll get back on my truck. Just gotta double check everything's off. This is off. Nothing. All right, can't wait. The next clip should be combine backed out, because I'm not gonna record it. Whoa, look at that. Oh no, because we took that side panel off. We are back working on this thing. I dropped this down, these 2 bolts right here, and I got these ones down a little bit. Took these 2 front ones completely off, and then the 2 back ones, I just loosened them pretty good. And I got to this one real easy because there's no bolt right there. But this one, I had to take them both out. Or not out, but you know, take this one out, and then that one is, I had to hit the impact and take it out. Okay, wow, that's nice. That's cool. Just an extra rod sticking out, so give me freaking, what is it? I don't know. Yeah, good. I'm glad I got my tetanus shot. Okay, that spins on there. Well, not spins, but it goes on there pretty good. Okay, there we go. I need like another hand. Okay, here we go. I got it! I freaking got it! That's the one that was the rusty spot. Oh, dude. So happy about that. I don't even care if it doesn't come off good. It's the last one, so it's alright. And I'll show you, it's a square head, which is a square nut, which is really weird. I never knew they had square nuts in here. Yeah. Yeah, she tore right off. Now the bed should be free. Maybe not. Oh, it's probably, I'm gonna lower it down and then I'm gonna push on it and see if I can get her free. I might just leave that like that, because honestly, I'm not gonna pull anything with it since there's a transmission in it, and I'm gonna have to take that off if I want to pull the bed off again, or pull the bed off. Then we can open the door and put the bolts in there, and we can start pushing on the bed, hopefully, and get it broke free. I don't know if that's uneven. If it is, that's probably not a good sign. 3, and yeah, 2. That might be because the bed's loose, but frame's not in too bad of a shape. It's rusty, but I mean, it's a lot better than my 2006. My 2006, holy, I had to replace my frame, my 2006, if you saw that video. I'll pop that up in the corner, the right corner if I remember. But yeah, I don't know, I feel like, I don't think it would be the frame because it's in pretty good shape. But yeah, let's get this thing down and start shaking on it, pushing on it. That's good enough. I think we're moving her. Oh yeah, we moved it a little bit. Oh yeah, she's loose. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's what I like to see. I started pulling on it this way. Oh, you definitely can see it's loose. She's broke free. Oh my gosh. Now I gotta do the wiring, which isn't bad because there isn't no trailer lights. I mean, it's really nice, quick connects. And lights, which is only 2 lights. My flatbed was a pain because whoever did that, oh my gosh, they gotta be fired. I'm so happy. Holy. Brand new fuel pump in it too. Woo! Oh yeah! This is what I like to see. Progression. That's, oh my gosh. All right, for the thumbnail, I'm gonna raise my truck up all the way. And I'm gonna take a picture of it like that. And that'll be the thumbnail. How many balances do you think it'll take to get this nut out? 1. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for me pulling off the cab.